Oh, 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 Bangkok, baby. I am here, gotta love this city, just so much to see. Bangkok, baby. Get out and get about, gotta see what's around. It's Bangkok, baby. I'm taking a stroll, seeing what's about. Can't get enough, it's Bangkok, baby. I'm so ready to see, wanting more than this. I know it, but what am I to do? I need to check out more of the city, so give me some stuff to see. So give me more stuff to see. I need stuff. Bangkok, baby. Get out and get about, gotta see what's around. It's Bangkok, baby.
Okay, we're here in Bangkok. This is the street that we're on. And we're gonna be walking down this street right here, which is kind of known for having guns. So there's some guns in this window, so we're gonna walk and explore and show you what it's all about. So stay tuned for this, another slice of Bangkok that you might not have known about before. Bangkok, baby. So we're walking around Bangkok, and I'm gonna put this up on the map so you know exactly where we are. And I'm just gonna label it Gun Street. It does have a name. There's actually two streets that have names. So if you watch the video, you can see exactly where they are. I'll also, you can see it on the map anyways, right here. I also created some music with AI, so I'm gonna put the lyrics up to that. And then just so you guys know, I filmed a bunch of Bangkok, but I only have 3 files. So I was just there like a few weeks ago, December 2024. So I'm just gonna upload only 3. One is Gun Street, and then I have 2 other ones. And I'll be back in Bangkok anyways, and I'll film more. So, but if you like these Bangkok ones, let me know, because I'll definitely film a lot more next time I go down. If you find it, if you like it. So so let me know. Anyways, this is Gun Street. Let's do the walk and talk, and you can follow along and get the sights and sounds of the city as well. So that's the name right there, Bunakan. And then you can see that they have actual guns. And some pretty big guns at that. So there's another Rock River Arms. And when I looked on the map, I looked at gun shops, and this whole street has a ton of them. And they display them right in the window as well. Spirit of America, Defender, Colt. Yeah, Thailand actually does have a gun culture. I don't really hear about it like you hear about it in the States, but it's definitely here. Huh. Wow. Okay. So on this channel, basically what I usually do is I just kind of inform people what the streets look like. So this is, there's even a Smith & Wesson right in there too. Knives. Holsters. And I think that there's more over on that side as well, and on this side there, I think there's some on both sides. Let me just go over there real quick. Usually in this street, on this channel, I try to keep everybody informed Well, actually, what I actually do is I walk up and down streets. And I usually just kind of get an idea of what streets are like. But this particular street is where they sell guns, which is pretty common in Asia, where they'll put it all in one spot. So there'll be like, so if you want to buy a gun, you come to the street and you walk around to all the different shops until you find the one that you like. And it looks like they're both looks like they're on both sides. And I looked at the map before, and I believe that it's this whole street right here, this block to that spot, all the way down to that block as well. So the street actually does go further. There's another gun shop there. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna just confirm that by walking down to the other side. Oh, these are gun parts. So those are holsters. They're hard to see because of the reflection, but so it looks like you can build your own gun here if you know how to build it. Okay. So not only do they sell guns, but they also have them in different parts that you can buy separately. So that's the name of the street right there. And we're gonna run across and just see if it's also on the other side as well. And we're also just giving you an idea of what the streets look like in Bangkok, what's on them and such like that. There's an older bus style right there. Okay, so let's come over to this side. And actually this has a different name. Burafa. And I don't know, let me see, it looks like they do have guns here too. Knives. Oh, okay. So actually this whole street does have more. So there's tons of them. And we're just gonna walk all the way down the street. And I guess people are a little bit sensitive to the camera, so I'm not going to film the shops anymore. I'll just film the street. And we're just gonna walk all the way down to the end. But to the left, they are all gun shops. And I'm sure they're, I don't know, but I'm not going to film anymore of the gun shops. But there are lots of other interesting stuff in here too. Let's just kind of go across, and then I think my understanding is the guns would have stopped those two blocks, I think. Or no, I think they go all the way down. There's an alley right there I was thinking about exploring, but I think they go all the way down to the end of the street. So I'm going to just go all the way down to the end as well. And then we'll just see, I'll just be able to see on the left side of what kind of stuff we see. There's a gold shop. Oh, okay. Huh. I know where we are. I didn't realize where we were. But yeah, that's, I didn't realize this gun shop was right next to this, I'll tell you what's over here in a minute. I just can't remember the name of it right now. I was also a little curious to go down these alleys. But yeah, right there is Old Siam Plaza. So the Old Siam Plaza runs parallel to Gun Street. Then I think down here it's going to be all guns as well, as I can already see. Looks like a lot of these shops are closed though. Okay. So yeah, basically we're the street that's perpendicular with the Old Siam Plaza, which is right there, is a gun street, is where they sell guns. So okay. Now we learned something a little bit new. Let's end the video right there.
Bangkok, baby, I'm taking a stroll, seeing what's about. It's Bangkok, baby.